Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed guided tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay, let's jump right into our video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix if the verification code is not being sent by the Skype and you have entered the right email address and your phone number. The very first thing is check up your phone number and email address to make sure that there is no human error. After that, what you can do is refresh the page. If that still doesn't work, make sure that you're connected to a Wi-Fi secured internet connection. After that, go to the App Store or Play Store and search for Skype. Search for Skype and make sure that the app is updated. If not, update the app first. After that, go to the home screen and open up the mobile settings. Once you open up the mobile settings, this interface will appear. Scroll to the bottom and in the midway down you should find apps. Click on the apps because most probably the problem is of storage. Go to manage apps. Once in the manage apps, at the top you should find the search button. Click on the search button and search for Skype. Hold on, search for Skype. Click on Skype and this interface will appear where all of the app information and details are. The very first option is of storage. Click on the storage and as you can see there is the cache memory of 15.70 MB. At the bottom you should find clear data. Click on clear data and click on clear cache. Click on OK. As you can see 15 MBs are now removed. Go to the home screen and refresh the Skype app and then again go to resend code on Skype and that should definitely work. And that is how you can get code if the code is not sending on Skype. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials like this. If you have any queries or any type of suggestions, just leave them in the comments below. Thank you. See you next time.